Hello students, this is me Archana Pathak and today we are going to start the chapter development of your economics book. So first of all, the topics which we are going to cover today are what is development, different people, different developmental goals and mixed goals. Now what is development? The change for the betterment is called development. Development is a process of change. And if the change is there for the betterment of society, country or person or a people, then it is considered to be the development of that particular one. Now, what is economical development? The progress that a country makes in the field of economy is called economical development. See, if in a country the people earn higher income and can satisfy all their needs, so it has developed economy and it is considered that the country is developed country. But if in a country the people are not earning higher income and they are not able to satisfy their needs, then it is considered that the economy of that country is developing economy and the country is developing country. India is one of the developing country. Now, different people have different goals. Different categories of people have different aspirations as their field of work is quite different. That's why different people have different developmental goals. For example, developmental goal of landless rural labor will be that he should get more days of work and better wages or to have his own land area to produce crops. But if we talk about an urban employed youth, then the developmental goal of him will be to get promotions at regular interval, to get security and other facilities to live better. Now, development for one may not be the development for the other. It may be destructive for other. For example, to produce more electricity, an industrialist may want more dams, but the community whose land gets submerged due to building of dam may oppose it. So, for the industrialist, it may be the development, but for the community land areas, it will be a destruction. Now, besides seeking for better income, people also seek for many things. So, mixed goals. Material criteria and non-material criteria. Now, what is material criteria and what is non-material criteria? Material criteria is the criteria under which money or the thing which one can buy with it comes. Non-material criteria, besides seeking for more income, people also seek for other things like freedom, equality, dignity, etc. So this is non-material criteria. Suppose if some person is getting a good job at a far off place, then he would think twice before joining such a job. He would see whether his family will get better facilities like education for their children, their safety, etc. at a new place, whether health facilities are available there or not, whether the security point of whether it is safe or not. So these are the things which comes under non-material criteria. So besides seeking for income, people also seek for all these things, which sometimes improve the quality of life and sometimes more important than the income. So these all topics are covered. Now we will discuss some more topics of this chapter in next video.